Hey everybody, Derek Gilbert here with the Gilbert Group at Keller Williams, and I have Yvonne on our
Hi,
team.
everyone.
And we are off to a quick start here in 2020. We're a couple weeks into the new year, and we are already off to the races. But before we get into that, let's do a quick recap on 2019. So last year was an interesting year. So overall, home prices across Denver are up about 3%. They were actually up a little earlier in the spring. In June, they were probably up closer to 6 to 7%. We had a little bit of a pullback from July through about October last year. We saw home sales start to slow down a little bit, and then it really started picking up again in November and December. So we had a couple of things that went on last year. We started seeing interest rates go up a little bit last summer. That put a little bit of pressure on the market. We saw inventories climbing a little bit, so it took some of the pressure off of buyers. But as the Fed lowered interest rates and as the inventory started lowering, you could start feeling that demand start picking up again towards the end of the year. So I know that you felt it a little bit. It was a very volatile year last year.
Yes, it was.
But still, for us, it was a historical year. I've been in business about 18 years, and last year was our top year that we've ever had in our business. So thank you to all of you that actually worked with us. We closed over 100 homes and helped a lot of people and a lot of families with moving on and doing other great things with their lives.
It was a pleasure helping everyone.
Yeah, it was super fun. So anyways, thank you to all of you. And moving into 2020, as I mentioned, we are literally off to the races. January 1st hit, and our phones just started blowing up. So we've already had a couple of properties, you can't see it on here, that we've already sold this year. A few of those already had multiple offers. We saw a couple of them bid up a little bit. So if January is already starting to feel this pressure and we're already starting to see this kind of activity, I have a feeling the spring's going to be really hot again. So what's your take on that?
I think, if you're a seller, I think it's such a great time to get on the market, and we can help you with those plans as far as what is the best strategy for you this time of year.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, timing is critical when you're selling a property because we do have seasonal shifts. Last year was a great example of that. I always tell everybody you make your money from January through June, and then second half of the year we start to see some certain things shift around. So if you're somebody that's thinking about making a move this year, buying or selling, give us a call. Let's kind of talk about a strategy moving into 2020. Where do we fit you in from a timing perspective? What makes the most financial sense?
Right.
Let us help be not only your realtor, but help us, let us help you build a financial future. Let us help you make some of those big decisions that are going to affect the long term. And that's something we're really going to focus on this year.
Maybe you need an investment plan, as far as your portfolio.
Exactly. So I know that we've been talking about, working with a lot of our clients to figure out what kind of equity positions that they're in.
Right.
How do we get them into some different maybe investment properties?
Right.
I actually just bought another home last Friday. I feel that the market is still great. We own rental property. I've got a pretty extensive background spanning almost 20 years back with working with multifamilies. I've done a lot of fix and flips on apartment buildings, foreclosures, single families. I've helped clients build immense portfolios, and I know that you've been a big piece of this. So give us a call. Let's help you out with that, and can't wait to work with all of you here in 2020.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.